What's up guys? Welcome back to the 10 or Share channel. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, you have signed it in with your Apple ID and the phone is connected to a network. You will see the Erase iPhone button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. You will get a link to the support page we are going to visit. Here we go. It looks pretty straightforward. Let's proceed. Enter the Apple ID password, and then the erase shall begin. With no firmware involved, this is pretty fast. But in my experience, the Erase iPhone button could stop working for some reason. If this happens to you, you can move on to our next method, unlock iPhone with 4 key. So we launch it on a computer. Plug the phone in. Click Start and Next. Navigate to your device model and follow the steps here to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively, then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. 4 key will get you the latest firmware. You can select any location to download it. And then, you can start unlocking. Well done. Let's go ahead and set it up. If you need your data back, select Restore from iCloud or iTunes on the App and Data option, and then Restore from a previous backup. By doing this, you can get all your applications, photos, and documents back on the device. Just like that. If you have other devices using the same Apple ID in Find My, you can erase your phone wireless on iCloud.com. After signing in, go to Find iPhone. Click All Device on the top bar, select the iPhone, and proceed with the erase. After all these customizable settings, the erase will begin. This could be vital when you want to protect your privacy after your phone being stolen. Moving on to our last part, you can restore your phone to factory settings using iTunes. Just make sure it's still attached with the computer and in recovery mode. Then go on with the Restore option. iTunes will download and install the latest iOS on your device. Once completed, you should see the Hello screen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. See you.